Hey there, YouTube. So we got this 2015 Chevy Trax that we're going to be installing the rear hatch button or switch. This one recently seems to not want to open, and we need to fix that. So go around the back. I'm going to show you the symptom that we're having here. So the button's right underneath here. Push it, nothing happens. We're not getting it to come up or anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open the hatch manually. I'll show you how to do that in the back of the car. And then we'll go ahead and get this thing open and then replace the button if we need to. So right now we're in the back of the vehicle. And back here we have the little plug that was in here. I went ahead and took that out already. Just use a little flat blade screwdriver and push it in there and kind of pop it out. But inside here, there's a square peg, and it looks like a 1/4" drive ratchet could actually fit on there, but I got a screwdriver here. We're just going to stick in here and see if we can turn it here. And sure enough, I'm able to turn it. I'm turning it to the left. You can hear it. I'm turning it to the left, and I was able to pop it. Now we are able to at least get this out of here so we can open it up. So now that we have the hatch up, I'm going to shut it a little bit and see what happens when we push this button. It's barely doing anything. It's like the actuator isn't working or something. So the actuator is right inside there. So I can go ahead and tear off this whole entire back piece and see what's going on. But I'm gonna guess maybe the actuator is actually bad and not the switch, because I hear it trying to work. So we might have to take that apart. So after reviewing this a little bit more, I'm beginning to think that it is not the switch that is actually wrong. It's the actual actuator here. So we're going to go ahead and order that part, and then once it's gets here, we'll go ahead and tear this part and install it. The reason why I think it's the actuator is because when I lower this here, you push the button, you can hear it trying to work. So since it's trying to unlock, but it's not, I'm thinking that's the reason why this is acting up there. I can even push my screwdriver into here, lock the clip, and then try to use the button here to unlock it, and it doesn't unlock. So but if I take the screwdriver again, I shove it back up in there, it unlocks just fine. So yeah, I'm thinking it's the actuator there, since the button's actually making noise. So we'll get that order and we'll complete it then. So these were the, this was obviously the original part that we had. I went ahead and ordered the other part here. It's now in, and let's take it out of the package here. So this is the part right here. Looks correct and everything. So you can see here, this is the little square right here that I've been shoving my screwdriver into to unlock this whole time, just like that right there. And yeah, we'll go ahead and start tearing apart the hatch and see if we can replace this. I still kept that just in case we still need this, but I'm planning on returning that. So I got this for, I think, $25 on eBay. It's a genuine OEM, never been used before. Now, I've seen them going up towards $100, and I can't believe I found this one. I really hope it's the right one. It was the right part number. I can put the part number in the description of this video down below. And let me know what you guys find it for in the comments section here. And let me know what you guys are paying for it. But I paid $25. Hopefully you can find a good deal like I did. So the first thing I want to do is you're going to take your plastic tool here real quick, and we want to take off this piece right here. The way you do that, you just want to slide your tool in here, and you want to pry away. Start popping it off. I'm going to pull downwards with it. There it is. This is what these clips look like right here. They're the little pressure clips. This one stayed in there. That's the reason it was so tough. We'll go and grab that one back out before reinstalling it. But they're just those type of clips. So now we got that out, I want to start working on the side trim pieces here. So if you have the privacy piece, going to pull that down, and I'm going to take mine out. And then these ones you want to peel from this way. You want to come towards the inside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look to make sure these don't have anything. I don't think they do. Yeah, those turn out to be. After quite a bit of pulling, I realized that this trim piece right here, well, that actually holds it in quite a bit, and yeah, that thing ended up breaking. This is for the privacy liftgate, so we're gonna have to get a new one of these ones ordered. So I'm not sure really how you take this out though, because they have like it has like a clip, like a Christmas tree clip style thing to it, and there's not really any special way of removing it. So yeah, whatever you're going to do for that, might take a Google. And then I broke this little piece right here too when I was taking that out. Bummer. But it should still be okay. Alright, I just went ahead and pulled that one, wherever that went. So again, snapped again. So we're just going to get a new set of these. But hopefully I don't break this plastic trim piece this time. Alright, this one looks good. Got both of these out successfully. Hoping the other one doesn't rattle. Man, those are a pain. So from there, shouldn't really have anything else that is holding it in. Should just be pulling it downwards. Let's see, that's good. Oh. So let's just start pulling it out. I think we got the handle here. It's already most of the way through, so let's just see what we gotta do here. I'm gonna just fold it the rest of the way out. It's just got all those pop clips everywhere. You can see them here. Boom, boom, all the way throughout. So that's how you take the panel off. And then putting it back on is the exact same way. So now with it off, let's go ahead and inspect this. So we have two bolts right here. They look like a couple of torque bolts. On the opposite side here, we have an electrical connector right here. Maybe shine some light on there. An electrical connector right there. I'll have to take off. And that should about do it. We should be able to get it off with that. So I'm going to go ahead and take those two bolts out and undo that electrical connector and get this old one out. But after inspecting this one, it looks like we got the right part. So looking at this one compared to the original, everything looks exactly the same, and the mounting all looks the same. The electrical connector fits in there. So we're going to go ahead and take this one out. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to do that connector. No, actually I think we're going to take that off after, because I can't really see what it looks like to take it off. So this is a Torque 40. those are out now. And we should be able to slide this through this way. And now I can see what the electrical connector looks like here. So it just has a little clip right here on the side. I should be able to just push in and pull out. Perfect. So that is out. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the new one back in. So we're just going to put the electrical connector in first. And then we'll slide this through. Line it up. And put a couple bolts back in. Alright, we're just going to tighten them the rest of the way down with the ratchet. Since my gun's not that strong. A little bit of a turn there. A little bit of a turn. There we go. So now that we have that done, let's go ahead and give it a test. All right. So the door is shut now. And let's go and push the button. Look at that. Worked perfectly. So I'll go ahead and reinstall all the plastic here, and we'll take a look at it after it's all done and make sure it works one more time once we have everything put together. And there we go. Everything is put back together. Handles are all on. This piece is back on. The only thing that's not back in are the two privacy shade drawstring holders. So yeah, we're going to get a new set of these. We'll just order them online. We'll just clip them in. Good luck with taking those out because they were a pain. But yeah, let's go and give it one last test here. Alright, that's with it shut. And we're trying to open it back up. Oh yeah, that's good, that's nice. So perfect. If that video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Every like, every subscribe, it does a ton for my channel and helps me. So until next time, check my other videos. Thanks for watching.